We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Tiddly Peeps!
Who will do, Tula?
Now, Tiddly Peeps are so clever that I think you might be able to help me.
Thanks, Tula. We'll try.
Oh, now you see, we've been trying to make a feather dance in the Hoopmobile. We know a fan could work, and I really want to make one to try it out, but I don't know how. Do you?
It's not too difficult, and you can make them really pretty. Yes, we can show you if you like.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. Help us find things out. They give us clues, they tell us news. That's what they're all about. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart, they're fun. They know.
Who will do Tiddly Peep?
Who will do, Tula?
What's your name?
I'm Connie.
Well, Connie, do you mind if I ask you a question?
Of course not.
Well, I know that if a Tiddly Peep is crying because he's hurt himself.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart, they're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. Help us find things out. They give us clues, they tell us news. That's what they're all about. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart, they're fun. They know.
Who will do Tiddly Peeps?
Who will do, Groove?
Oh dear, it looks like I've caught you on your way to bed. Do you think you might have a few moments to help me?
But where is the boy who looks after the sheep?
Under the haystack, fast asleep. Oh, so is Toodle.
What?
Shh, Toodle's fast asleep.
Where? What?
Shh,